Friends, this is Swami Radhikananda from Pune. Today I am going to talk about a subject other than spiritualism. During my visits to Hyderabad, I happened to come across a very pretty doctor, Dr. Rajeshwari. And she has her own clinic which takes care of the hair, the health of hair. When we met, I was charmed by her. It's a very pretty looking, confident, radiating lady and exquisitely beautiful. I wanted to talk to her about, and during my conversation with her, she suggested that if I would need any help regarding my hair problem in old age, that she would be willing to help me. I felt happy that I met somebody who could extend help. I decided I'll take the help of the modern technology, and I trusted myself into her safe hands. Basically, she first recommended a very healthy diet. Probably I was lacking it a little as a protein content diet for maybe various reasons without realizing. And not realizing it is a major probably the reason. And she recommended me a very good protein diet and multivitamin tablets. So I started on them, and then later I did take one or two treatments from her, and they were like small needle pricking or something, and so probably she must have cleaned any pores. I'm not sure exactly. She'll be able to explain that better. But then, and she gave me a few injections. I was a little worried before I took it, but then she was confident that whatever she was doing, she was fully aware of it. I think they are showing a few good signs. I'm able to presentation. I feel more presentable. And I would like to complete the treatment with her, hoping that it will give me a more healthier look regarding my hairstyle or hair. People might wonder whether is it really necessary at the age of 70, especially for people from a spiritual line and all. But let's not mix the two. Being presentable in the world at any age, I think it's if the techniques, modern techniques are allowing you, I think you should embrace them. Well, I'm quite comfortable, and it wasn't painful at all. It gave me a little more reason to pay attention to my own self. And I think I'm quite happy with it. All those youngsters who are having a problem with hair receding, or it's sad. Some of them have lost it at a very young age, and they lose their confidence. I think presentation does matter in this world today. Those who would like to look into your own hair conditions, I think you should contact a person like Dr. Rajeshwari. I would recommend her indeed. And she's a fine doctor, and the clinic is nice, and her assistants are great. One of the assistants who attended to me, Vinita, she calls me a superwoman. Thank you so much, Dr. Rajeshwari. Thank you once again.